Let us start with the part 2 of today's session. We have discussed about units. Now we are going to discuss about the system of units which were used earlier. Accordingly, there are 3 systems of units: FPS system, CGS system and MKS system. In FPS system, length is measured in foot, mass in pound and time in second. In CGS system, length will be expressed in centimeter, mass in gram and time in second. In MKS system, length will be expressed in meter, mass in kilogram and time in second. But the internationally accepted system of units is SI units. The international system or Système International in French is a type of units that are based on the metric system. And this SI system is a system of units that we are following today. A few examples for SI units are kilogram, meter, second, Kelvin, mole, etc. The units of fundamental quantities are called fundamental units, and the units of derived quantities are called derived units. In SI system, we have 7 fundamental quantities and 7 fundamental units and 2 supplementary quantities and 2 supplementary units. The 7 fundamental quantities in SI system are length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, amount of substance and luminous intensity. Hence, the 7 fundamental units are meter, kilogram, second, ampere, Kelvin, mole and candela. The symbols of these fundamental units are given in the third column. The supplementary units in SI system are radian and steradian for the quantities plane angle and solid angle respectively. The symbol for radian and steradian is also given in the third column. The 7 basic quantities are defined as given in the table. The definition is not important, but an understanding of the concept, that is, how the quantities of length, mass, time, etc. were standardized into a particular unit can be got from this table. You can just go through the table once. We have discussed about 2 supplementary units. They are radian and steradian. Radian is defined as the angle subtended by an arc length equal to radius of a circle at the center of a circle. For example, suppose if in a circle we are marking the 2 radii which are given by the 2 green lines, we can see an arc along the circumference of the circle is cut by these 2 radii. So that angle made by this arc is known as plane angle and the unit of plane angle is radian. Sterradian is the solid angle subtended at the center of a sphere by an area on its surface. That is, we are considering a square on the surface of a sphere, and let the four corners of the sphere be joined to its center. Then the angle subtended can be called as the solid angle. The first figure gives us an idea about solid angle, and second figure gives a description of plane angle and solid angle. Hope you have understood the session. Thank you, dear students.